Hey guys, hello and welcome to today's tutorial. So in this episode of Codement, we are going to see what are the important repositories that you should follow as a developer. So as we all know, like GitHub is the open source and it is the most amazing source of information, and you can find anything and everything related to your topic. So basically, if you are a software engineer and if you are looking for preparation stuff and if you're looking for good quality content, that is for your interview preparation, then I have came across multiple repositories, and all these repositories are listed in this blog. So you can find out the link of this blog in the description box, and I think this is really helpful. And so all the credit goes to the people who have already contributed to these repositories. Like there are multiple owners of the repositories. As you see, uh, this is the person name, and he has built this repository. So everything, all the credit goes to this person, and similarly, few other people who have developed it. So yeah, so my task is to just to compile it into a single uh, blog or single place. So I thought like this would be really helpful for you, and hopefully you can pass it on to the people who are preparing for it. So all the credit goes to the relative owners of the repositories, and these are really awesome. So let's get started. Let's see one by one what are the links. So first thing first is, if you're looking for preparation of the interviews, and that is especially for front end, so in that case, let's open one by one. This is the first link, and this is called as tech interview handbook. So here you can find multiple resources which are regarding the data structure algorithm and best practice questions, then grind 75. So these are the top 75 DS questions depending upon the different topics. So you can have a look, and also depending upon your interest, you can add the filters. Like if you're looking for hard questions, so definitely you can add those filters and then solve these questions. So this is what grind 75. So this is also known as blind 75, and you can Google about it. So these are the top questions in different topics such as like array, binary search, and binary tree graph and all that. Cool. So and with this, so on in this repo, basically you can see multiple questions. So how to prepare if you're preparing for any specific role. So there are the roadmaps, and yeah, so this is what I think. Yeah, this is the website with the same name, and that is again the owner is the same person. Yeah, so multiple other resources are also mentioned here. Behavioral questions are there, step by step software engineering. Resume guide is also there, like what to put in your resume and what you should not mention. And then front end interview preparation stuff. Yeah, so this is specifically for UI people. And so multiple other resources are also mentioned here. Uh, yeah, so as you can see here, it is there. Okay, cool. So next, after that, this is the guide to software engineering interviews. If you just open this, so this is an interview guide, and this is the person who is the owner of this repo, and is quite popular. So table of content, YouTube. Okay, so you can search for your interest as per your interest. If you're looking for data structure, so simply you can click on this, and you will be able to find information related to that particular topic, and rest of the things are also mentioned here. So KDN 251, he is the person who is currently maintaining it, and he works in Google. So that's amazing. Cool. So after that, so for DevOps people, you can check this repo, DevOps exercises, and yeah. So depending on the tools and all that, so also the interview questions like what is TCP, Ethernet, and everything is mentioned. So whatever related to DevOps, so it is mentioned here, and the resources are also mentioned here. Okay, so after that, big tech engineering tech blocks. So basically, this is what uh, engineering blocks section is there. So if a certain, if you're looking for companies like if I'm looking for company specific blogs, let's say Nvidia. So if Nvidia is working on something, so they might publish few blogs related to their POC. So they might be working on machine learning, AI, or they might be working on a specific tool. And if they want to publish few of the information related to that, so this is really interesting. Like they publish blogs, and also they introduce new courses related to it. So that's an amazing platform where you can learn about different technologies and everything related to it. So this is what all the companies and their blogs, engineering blogs section are mentioned here. So you can have a look at it. After that, awesome scalability. Okay, so if you're looking for scalability related stuff, and if you're looking for the resources for scaling up your application, so in that case, this is the repo where like you have to work on different aspects of the software engineering, starting from the stability, performance, intelligence, architecture, and everything related to that. So what are the principal architectures you can use in that? So yeah, so these are the things which are mentioned here. So it's very vast and it's very authentic. So it's very deep. So you can have a look at it. And after that, like LLM related papers, we love. Okay, so like there are a lot of people, a lot of intelligent people are there who are already working in different companies and in different universities. They are studying different topics. So they uh, happen to publish the research, and so time to time they publish resources and all that. So everything related to that is uh, it is compiled here. So copyrighted content is there, so definitely you can have a look, and if it is something that you're looking for, so definitely you can read it, you can learn about it, and also you can share if someone is looking for such kind of resources. Okay, after that, like paths to senior engineering handbook. So if you're looking for if yeah, so basically if you're a junior developer and if you want to become a senior developer, so in that case you cannot become a senior developer just by the number of years you spend in the industry. So to become a senior developer, you should have certain skill set and certain expertise in that particular domain. So that's what are the things which are required for it. So all these are mentioned, like high growth engineer, the developing dev. So basically some of these are uh, newsletters, blogs, and system designing, reliability engineering, what is leadership and web dev specific stuff, and like what are the books, 92 ways to talk to anyone. Okay, cool. Yeah, so these are the books which are related to communication, writing, relationships, and everything. So yeah, I think this is what this is more than sufficient, and this is really awesome. Like whoever has maintained it, so really hats off to him. So just it's my duty to just pass on this information to you. So definitely it would be really helpful for the person who is in great need, who is in desperate need. So definitely you should give a helping hand to them, and that's what I'm currently doing. So it's my objective to just pass on the knowledge and let it be free, because uh, like you can see like multiple websites are there who are charging and who are making money out of these content. And because this content is freely available and anyone can access it, it's just about the accessibility, like people are not aware of it. So it's our duty to make it free, and so that like more and more people can learn it, and they can build their life, and they can save their lives and their parents and all the dependent ones. So it's our duty to spread the awareness. Cool. So this is my small approach. This is my small attempt to just pass on the knowledge to the community, and I believe that you should also do the same. And I am maintaining this repository where like everything is mentioned here. So all the resources are also mentioned here. So I'm updating this repository as on when it is required. So whenever I get some new information, so I just keep on updating it. So it's been 3 months now, but if I get something, so definitely I update it. So you can just keep a watch on this, and you can find multiple other resources on the repo on my profile as well. Like different repos are there, like remote job websites, like almost 50 plus remote job portals are listed here, and JavaScript interview questions if you're looking for interview questions. So all these are mentioned here. So React specific interview questions are also mentioned in this repo. So all these repos are not created by me, so I'm just uh, maintaining it. So whatever the information I get on the internet, so it's my duty to compile it, or just to save it at a single place where you can find everything that you want at the right time. Because whenever you are preparing for an interview, so there might be a possibility that you will not find the authentic resources, you will not find the right resources, and you will just end up wasting your time. So that's what I don't want you to do. And because somebody has helped me, and whenever I was in need, so I referred to GitHub, and somebody has already helped me. So it's my duty to help the people who are in great need, who are struggling in their lives, and who want to do something and achieve something in their life. So hopefully you will also contribute to this community by any way. So it can be any way, like if you're able to contribute to like at least 1%, so that would be really enough, and that will really helpful to the needy person. Cool. So that's what my approach is, and yeah, hopefully you would get some benefit out of this video. And yeah, that's it for now. So I'll see you in the next episode very soon. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.